Olè!
Voila! Hello guys, today really special recipe, original recipe from the north of Italy. We make sausage from bra. Original recipe plus a version with the truffle.
Okay, but you have to say what is this sausage, this typically sausage from Bra. What is?
Okay, today I have also a special guest, l'uomo di casa.
Yes, I have to go check you
Yeah.
because we need some information from our book that we print in September. Yes.
Yeah. Like who follow the channel know, we are making another book, the one of the liquor we already published. Now we are doing the one for cold cuts, so we need to check all the ingredients that I already write it here.
Bravo.
So this kind of sausage is very special because it's made from cow or from veal, because at the beginning was made for Jewish
Hebrew people.
sorry, so they cannot eat the pork. Now they are doing a version for our time, so 80% of veal and 20% of belly from the pork. So here we have 1 kilogram and 600 gram of veal and 400 gram of belly pork.
And this sausage is very special because we eat raw.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's made from veal, we can eat raw. This is why we are doing also truffle version, because if you put the truffle and after you cook it, you spoil it. So here we have the meat in this jar, or in this cup. I put already 38 grams of sea salt without iodium, a pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of paprika, and 5 grams of black peppers. Now we should clean the meat. Very important, maybe you can do only veal, but this fat you need to remove it because it's not good, and also you cannot preserve this kind of fat in the meat. This is why they now using the belly from the pork. So you take the meat. Be careful because the knife is very sharp. Before you remove this part, holding the fat with a knife very gently, you can remove it like this. Here we have all the fatty part from the cow. So now we can cut in pieces like this. This one we need to mince it 2 times. This one only 1 time, the pork. So pork belly without the skin, remember. So 2 times the cow, 1 times the pig. So veal 2 times, pork 1 times. So now we add the spices and 60 ml of white wine with garlic. So yesterday night we prepared already the one with the garlic. So inside you have the garlic taste without the garlic powder. Please
Don't use.
don't use the garlic powder because it's awful. Okay, we already divided 1 kilogram normal and 1 kilogram with
The truffle.
truffle. About the truffle, be careful.
Because it's very strong. So you have to decide what kind and how much do you put inside the meat.
Yeah, because sometimes it's so strong, then after, instead of improving the sausage, will destroy your sausage. I already put this, I forgot the name, the fennel. And inside here we have gut from the sheep. So the salami casing is natural and super small. Is only kind of box or container for the meat because after you eat it raw and you will remove it. So a small one from the sheep, everything natural. So now I will mix it so that the truffle can enter inside the meat, and we start with the original recipe.
Ole!
Voila! I don't know if you have noticed, I removed the gut from the sausage.
I eat it all.
So
'Cause it's
up to
possible.
you. You can eat in both way.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Spectacular. And after with homemade wine. This is
Wow.
the Vinello, the sparkling one. Let's try the one with the truffle.
This is spectacular.
Yeah, mamma mia, spectacular with the truffle. So probably next time we can do only truffle.
Yeah, of course.
This one I will finish it. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share the video with your friends. If you are watching this video after the book, let us know down in the comment, not only about this recipe, but also about the book. If you have some other questions, you can write here and we will answer to you, don't worry. Also, l'uomo di casa can answer.
Yeah, of course.
Okay guys,
Okay.
see you.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Spectacular.
Yeah, with the wine, mamma mia.
We finish all.